What if a Telegram bot could find crypto arbitrage trades that make money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, so I decided to test it out myself. I subscribed to a paid Telegram arbitrage signal bot that claims to uncover hidden profit opportunities across cryptocurrency exchanges. Instead of taking its claim at face value, I followed one of its signals step by step, calculated every cost including trade fee and transfer fees. I checked whether the opportunity actually delivered the profit it promised. Did the bot uncover a mind blowing arbitrage opportunity, or was it just another overhyped service? In this video, I'll show you the exact signal I received, how I verified it, how I executed the trade, and most importantly, whether I ended up making profit or a loss. If you're thinking about paying for crypto arbitrage signals, watch until the end before you spend your money. Let's dive in. The first thing we'll do is move to Telegram, because of course we said at the beginning of the video it's a Telegram bot. So I'm going to open up my Telegram account here and I'm going to look for the bot itself. This is it here, the Alpha Pulse bot. Now I have used this bot a bit, just to move around and see how the system itself worked. So once you start using this bot, I think you'll be welcomed with this prompt here that says that once you click on the start, I've started this already, I've been running it for a while, so that's why you see me having this like this. So once you click on the start, you'll be welcomed with these options at the top here, where you have the select market, and then you have forex, crypto, stock, and then support. Now this signal bot promises to offer signal on different things, including forex and stocks and the rest. Now the support is just support. In case you have any problem, you can contact the support team. Now the next thing I did here, because I want to do this on I want to do a crypto based arbitrage, so I will select crypto. Now once you select that, now you'll be welcomed with different DeFi platform. Now I'll tell you, these are the dexes that the Telegram bot itself scans or search for opportunity. That's why it has this list out for you here. Now I paid for the Uniswap at some time and I used it. It wasn't bad. Yes, some of the trades were not as I hoped it would be, but it wasn't bad. It was just fair. But I've noticed that since I switched to this Valoris, and the reason why I switched to Valoris was because while I was taking this trade on Uniswap, most of the successful trades I got, I realized that it was an arbitrage opportunity between the Uniswap itself and this Valoris network. So I kind of like using, I decided to subscribe for the Valoris network itself, so I can be getting signals based off that platform. So the next thing you need to do is just select the Valoris. Now like I said before, this is a paid a package or a paid service. So if you've not paid already, at this stage it is going to ask you to make your payment, subscribe, whether you're subscribing for a month or you're subscribing for a year or you're making a lifetime subscription. Now once that is out of the way, the next thing you want to do is select the network you want this bot to fetch trade for you. Now for this I'll be selecting Ethereum, so select Ethereum. And once we have selected Ethereum, it's going to ask us what kind of what kind of trade do I want to do. Do I want to farm liquidity? Do I want to do options trade? Do I want to do margins trade? Do I want to do AI strategies, or do I want to run an arbitrage? Now for these I want to run an arbitrage, so I'm just going to click on the arbitrage. Now once that is clicked, give it a few seconds, and as you can see, it has generated an asset for us here. It has generated, and it said that we should trade on Chainlink. Now before we do this, I want to come to CoinMarketCap on my browser, and this guy just picked on Chainlink, and I can see I've checked CoinMarketCap earlier on this morning, and I saw that Chainlink was actually among the trending tokens for CoinMarketCap as of today. So I guess maybe that's why it is finding this great opportunity. So let's just take advantage of the opportunity as fast as we can, because arbitrage opportunities, they don't last for too long. So the next thing we'll do here is let's go to Chainlink. Let's be fast about this, because this window is the signal is showing about 5 minutes before, like, let's just make sure we take this trade within the next 5 minutes, and it's studying the behavior of the price. So the next thing I'll do here is just come down here and copy out the contract address for Chainlink, and then we'll come back to the platform, to Valerius network. Remember, we're getting this signal from Valerius network. So the next thing we'll just do is quickly go to the swap. Once we get to swap, first thing you want to make sure you've done is you've connected your wallet to the platform, because without assets you can't actually trade. So connected your wallet, and then you are on the right network. Remember, the network here that is selected is Ethereum, so we're making sure that we are on the right network here, Ethereum. Now if Ethereum is not what you selected, or you just have to just click on this guy and then find the network that you want to switch to. Now with that out of the way, the next thing I want to do is select the asset or the token that I want to trade with, which is in this case Chainlink. So provide link. Now that's Chainlink there, and select it. Now what did he even say? That's one thing we should make sure that we are doing. So it is saying that we should buy from an external source and then sell on Valerius network. So to do that, I'll just come back to my I'll go to my trust wallets. Let me go to my trust wallet and go to swap, and I'll select link. I select link on Ethereum, and then I want to buy just 1 ether worth of link, and it's going to give me this, and execute the trade. Give it a few seconds to process, and as you can see, that has been processed already. Give it a few seconds so that the balance would reflect. Sometimes it takes time for that kind of transaction to reflect on our wallet. But let me just check on my wallet on the platform and see if it has reflected. I think it has. It has. So we have our link token here. So it's the system said we should buy and then sell here. So the next thing I want to do now is sell my link here to ether. So I click on max. Already you can see this, we bought with just 1 ether and we're already having something more there. So the next thing I'll do is to do click and then confirm. Voila, as you can see, we have traded and we've made about 1.98183 ether. That is what we made, because we started this trade with just 1 ether and now we have upgraded to 1.1 ether. We can confirm what profit we made by just copying that, coming to ether. We're not going to do this on because we used ether to make this trade. So switch back to ether and then impute that value here. Let's see how much we made for this trade. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Sorry, this should be 0.9. No, what am I doing? Sorry, please. This is wrong. Okay, so this is, sorry. Okay, what I have to do is put the point in front. I want to get exactly what we made in this trade. So I do 0. Sorry, remove that first 0 there, and we just made about 390 USD in a very short period of time. And guys, I'll tell you for free, this is actually a valid signal platform. That's for sure, I'll tell you. Now, if you would like to also use this bots, I will drop a link to the bots in the comment section, or sorry, in the description of the video. You can use it, but also please try and do your own research before you use any of all this, and also confirm whatever signal is given to you before you trade. This is a blessed trade. I like it, and it's a profitable one, and I can tell you that the Telegram signal bot actually does try and give good signal. So guys, if this has been helpful, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you will be informed first. Until next time, stay safe.